Let me ask you something, Jamaicans and my global Jamaicanomics collective. This video is mostly going to be centered on Jamaica. How is a country like Rwanda that went through war and one of the worst tragedies in modern history is now the cleanest, safest, fasting developing countries in modern history in Africa? But Jamaica, with all of its culture, beauty, resources, and global influence, is still struggling. So what's the excuse? Let's get to the video, shall we? Rwanda had it worse. Let's talk some truth here. Rwanda didn't just struggle. Rwanda was broken to the core. We're talking about a country that went through the Rwandan Genocide. Jamaica never went through a genocide. Lives were lost in the hundreds of thousands, if not millions. Families were destroyed. Infrastructure gone. They had every excuse to stay down. Every excuse to blame government. Every excuse to blame history. Every excuse to give up. But you know what, my global Jamaicanomics collective? They did not do that. Rwanda made a decision. Yes, they made a decision. A national decision. We are going to rebuild no matter what the cost. And guess what they did? Not only did they clean up their country, they organized systems. They built a thing called discipline. Did you hear me? Discipline. There is something called Umuganda. And Umuganda simply means community work. Do you know, Jamaicans, what Umuganda, what they did? Every month, once a month, every citizen in Rwanda comes together and do what? Clean up the entire country, pick up the garbage, fix the bus stops, do everything in that one day that they can do. No complaining, no talking, just action. That's how I know the Jamaicans that are talking foolishness in my thing, talking about crime. I'm not saying that you're not valid. I'm saying they're talking foolishness that when the government fix it. No, it's the people of Rwanda that is fixing their country. Jamaica has more than enough. No, let's bring it home. Let's bring it back to Jamaica. Jamaica is not lacking resources. You have land. You have some of the best tasting food. You have global influence, branding. You have massive diaspora power. You have every single thing that Rwanda did not have at that time. But what's missing? Mindset. You're waiting. You're asking. You're talking. You're criticizing. While others are doing what? They're building. Jamaicans are winning. They're winning in Canada, the United States of America, and England. You're just not winning in Jamaica. Let me say something that might shock you. There are Jamaicans right now living in Rwanda. I subscribe to a couple of two of the channels, and they're doing exceptionally well. Business, opportunities, and growth. So what does that tell you? It's not about location, my collective. It's about mindset. Because what? The same Jamaican that says nothing now go on in Jamaica is the same Jamaican that will go anywhere in the world to build Jamaica. Let me say something to you. If 100, let me say something small. If 100,000, I'm going to say it again. Jamaicans did what Rwandans did, you don't even need all of Jamaica. The entire country would change. Rwanda didn't rebuild overnight, guys. They rebuilt with what? Consistency. Let me say this plainly to every Jamaican. Stop the excuses. Just stop it. If Rwanda can rise out of the ashes of defeat, Jamaica and Jamaicans have no excuses. You are not more oppressed. You are not more disadvantaged. You're just more uncomfortable. And let me say something to you, my Jamaican and Global Collective. Comfort is the enemy of progress. Let me say something to you. I got up this morning. I did not want to film anything. You know why? I'm still struggling with my back after the accident. I didn't feel like I want to do it. But you know what? I got up and I said, you know what, Elizabeth? Your country needs you to speak. People need you. And you need to build yourself as well. You need to be confident enough to know that no matter how you feel, you're still going to build. Let me say something to you about the rebellionaires' mindset and Rwanda. Because Rwandans have the rebellionaires' mindset. A collective decision. Do you know what Jamaica needs? Rebellionaires. People who say, no more talking. No more excuses. No more waiting on government. No more begging for handouts. Except we are rebuilding. So let me ask you one final question, my Jamaican Global Collective. If a country like Rwanda can rise to that from that level of destruction, what is stopping you? What is stopping you? Let me say something to you. If this video doesn't wake you up to show you that it's not a money problem in Jamaica, it's honestly not even a crime problem, and that is valid, and I'm not denying that, it's a mindset problem. Here is what I'm going to ask you to do. I'm going to give you a strong call to action. I am hosting a webinar this weekend. And that webinar is to teach you and show you how AI can joint venture with you and the westernized experience that you've had. Even if you're in the Caribbean, you've had some major experiences that can help to rebuild Jamaica. And by default, the global Caribbean. I'm hosting the webinar this weekend. It's $59 too expensive for you to rebuild Jamaica? If you sign up for that, right? You know what I'm going to do? I am going to host a private webinar for every single person who signed up, and that private webinar will be absolutely free. And I'm going to give away nuggets that will show you how you can begin and answer the questions to the best of my ability. And trust me, based on the teachings that you've listened to so far, I'm going to give you the best answer. Here is what this video should teach you. Remove excuses. Position you as the solution and not the complainer. And introduce to you a global comparison on the continent of Africa, that if they can come from that kind of situation, they can come from that kind of trouble and degradation and genocide, Jamaica and the global Caribbean has the potential to come back as well. Go ahead and get the webinar tickets. You'll be glad you did. It's a start. Let's rebuild Jamaica and by default the global Caribbean together. Remember, Jamaica is a prototype and the world is watching us. And by the way, if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and subscribe. YouTube loves to share these videos in the algorithm. The more subscribers and the more share that you give this video. Not only will I see you in the next video, I will see you in the webinar. God bless you. I appreciate you. Take care. And remember, God is waiting on you. Bye-bye.